9 plus 4 times 2 minus 6. 9 plus 4 will give us 13. Then we have 13 times 2 minus 6. 13 times 2 will give us 26. Then 26 minus 6 will give us 20. 20 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes first before addition and subtraction. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our multiplication. This is where most people get it wrong because they solve their addition first before multiplication, then they subtract, which is wrong. We have to solve our multiplication first because according to the order of operation, multiplication comes first. Let's solve the right answer. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 9 plus 8 minus 6. Here we have an addition and a subtraction. We work with our addition first because addition and subtraction have equal priorities. So we work from our left to our right. 9 plus 8 will give us 17. Then we have 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 will give us 11. 11 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.